All right, this is a Glock 19. Most popular handgun there is because they're reliable. This releases the clip. I went to the gun range today, so it's time to clean it. This has night sights, Ameriglow night sights. Hopefully you can see it. To take it down, take it apart to clean it, you got these two springs right here on the sides. Okay, always make sure it's empty. Look inside, empty. Okay, I'll put it back a little bit, pull these two clips back, pull the trigger, and it'll slide right out. Hopefully you saw that. Two clips right here, and I'll do it again. Okay, back together. You gotta pull it back just a little bit. These two things just above the trigger. And pull the trigger, and then it slides right out. Okay, not much to it. Plastic base with the trigger, firing pin. Have to clean this all up. Not hard. They've got oily wet wipes. And the barrel. This is spring inside a spring. This is what kicks the charging handle back. And the barrel. Not much to a gun. This is a Glock, very reliable. People get into what a gun looks like. You know, guns don't have to look pretty. They have to be functional. Glocks don't jam. So all I'll do is I'll clean this up with a wet wipe, oily wet wipe. And I'll put it back together again. Not hard to do. Like I said, I went to the range. You should go to the range. Be a responsible gun owner. Go to the range at least twice a year. So I put 20 years in the Air Force. That's what the cops had to do, go to the range twice a year. Of course, most cops are into guns, so we'd go usually to some place and just shoot the guns, our own guns. So just wipe it all down. Including the clip. Clip holds 15 rounds. Because when you're shooting gunpowder, it makes everything dirty. The barrel. Even brush with the wipe, not hard. Go in and out a few times. Just to get the crud out. You want to make sure it's operational when you need it. Just what is this? I've had this for years. Again, I just go to the gun range twice a year, make sure all the guns work. Fired the Ruger LCP2 today, carries a 380 round, it's my usual carry gun. Again, 99% of the time you never need it. Just that 1% chance when you need it, you're gonna wish you had a gun. And you better have a permit, you better know what you're doing. You can't panic. And save the world a lot of problems by eliminating threats. If everybody would just fight back, yeah, that's what they always say, don't fight back, we'd lose too many people. No, if everybody fought back, yeah, we'd lose some good people. But we'd also get rid of a lot of bad people, and you can't trust the courts nowadays. Too liberal, they're not getting rid of people. Why are these mass shooters not executed? Why are people afraid to solve the problem once and for all. You use a weapon for personal gain, 6 months you should be dead. With a jury trial, it's best to let an innocent, one guilty person and put a innocent person in jail, whatever that saying is. Okay, not hard to clean, didn't take long. It's greased up. Let's put it back together. Here's the barrel. Spring. See the big hole here, black hole there. All goes back together like that, real easy. You got a rails right here. And this just goes in the rails. You're back in business. Wipe it down. Of course, what I'll do is I'll load up the clips again, hollow points, lock them up. I have strategically placed around the house, just in case. All locked under easy access for me, but not for anyone else. Stay tuned. This is the Glock 19, holds 15 rounds. I already cleaned the LCP2 from Ruger. It's my carry gun. This is a lot of people like to carry this because it's small enough and carries 15 rounds. My LCP only carries 6 and it's a 380, not as powerful. But 9mm, 15 rounds, do a lot of damage. Then the Glock 17 will be next. And this has the best night sights I've got, Ameriglows. But like my content, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information, watch my other videos. Thanks.